Good day, everyone. Now, this ancient Mediterranean herb has been cultivated for thousands of years. Parsley is often served as a garnish alongside a roast chicken or on a steaming plate of spaghetti. But with its rough texture and slightly bitter taste, many might not consider the herb to be a crucial part of their diet. Still, parsley is more than meets the eye, and experts say it can help to regulate your digestive health. It can help aid in digestion and help reduce bloating. It also contains compounds that enable the expulsion of gas from the body. Cultivated for thousands of years, the ancient Mediterranean plant is what is known as a natural diuretic. Diuretics are substances that help us shed excess water, weight, and salt. Some others include dandelions, caffeine, and a variety of fruit and vegetables. A sprinkle of parsley in a tabbouleh salad, green smoothie, or vegetable soup can be enough to make a difference. Just make sure it won't conflict with any medication you're on, and talk to your doctor if you're pregnant, as it could lead to abortion, according to some past research. It's best to incorporate herbs into your diet via a meal, not in a pill or liquid concentrated form. Parsley is also rich in flavonoids, which are a type of plant-based compound that have anti-inflammatory benefits. Inflammation can result in autoimmune, neurodegenerative, gastrointestinal, and heart diseases, as well as certain cancers. Together, inflammatory diseases account for more than half of all deaths globally, according to the clinic. Furthermore, the plant is high in antioxidants, which are substances including vitamins that can prevent or slow down damage to our body cells. Now, parsley contains vitamin C, A, and E, which can help reduce inflammation that could result in chronic disease. Eating parsley can help reduce the risk of arthritis and inflammation of your joints. It is also an excellent source of flavonoids, antioxidants that help reduce the risk of many chronic diseases, including cancer, atherosclerosis, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. If you're looking to fortify your bone health, parsley is also a good source of vitamin K. Including vitamin K in your diet can do just that. Adult women need 90 micrograms of the vitamin a day, and men need 120, according to the National Institute of Health. Bonus part of our video about tomatoes will grow bigger and juicier fruit if a 10-second task is done once a week. Tomatoes are nearing the end of the harvest season, but there is still time to get lots of tasty fruit, and there is even a really quick 10-second task which can help them grow even bigger. When a tomato plant has ripening fruit on it, they tend to grow suckers, which are small shoots that grow between the main stem and the vine branches. Suckers help the plant spread its foliage so it gets more sunlight and grows more fruit. But they get their name because they drain so much energy from the tomatoes. In late summer, if you have suckers alone, it can really affect the quality of your tomato fruit and make it more likely they grow shriveled or smaller. If you leave your side shoots to grow and don't pinch them out, the plant may become very heavy, may become tangled, and could be hard to manage and control. They will take up a lot of space too. Removing the suckers helps tomatoes focus more on fruit production, keeps it tidy and stops it from becoming stressed, so you are more likely to get bigger fruit. How to remove tomato suckers. It is really easy to get rid of suckers and should only take a few seconds, as all you need to do is pinch them off with your fingers. Now simply look for a small shoot growing between the main stem on a tomato plant and the branch. Then simply use your thumb and forefinger to snap it off. Make sure to be gentle and avoid twisting the shooters too hard, otherwise you can damage the tomato stem. It is best to catch shooters early when they are young and tender, as it makes it easier to remove them. So make sure you are checking your tomato plants regularly. If you have not inspected your tomato plants recently, then the shooters have likely hardened, so you will need to cut them off using clean scissors or gardening shears. Check your tomato plants once a week, pinch off any new shooters you find, and you will have bigger and juicier tomatoes until the growing season ends. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.